What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today, and today I'm gonna present to you an easy recipe. I'm gonna make coconut curry salmon with broad bean. Alright? A very easy and simple recipe today. So stay tuned while I show you and go through the process with you. Alright?
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So over here you can see I have about a pound of salmon that I nicely dice up, as you can see. Alright, wash and ready to season. So let me introduce you to some of my dry season first. Alright, so I'm using about quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon ginger powder, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, quarter teaspoon fish seasoning, quarter teaspoon salt, and also quarter teaspoon onion powder. Alright, here's our nice broad bean that we're going to use. Alright, here are some of our fresh herbs. We're using also one medium size Irish potato. We have some white onion over there. We have some fresh bell pepper, which is yellow, red. Also we have some fresh thyme over there, and also some fresh green onion. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and season our salmon first. So we're basically going to combine all our season here together. Alright, somebody asking for the curry. The curry is right there because the curry is the main ingredient. Alright, so let's mix up this nicely, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on our salmon. Alright, now we're going to go in with the curry. We're using about quarter teaspoon of the curry powder. You can see. Good. So we're going to go ahead and mix this around and allow it to marinate for about half an hour, and then we're going to go ahead and start prepare our rest of the ingredients. Alright, so we have our pot heated. We're going in with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, using vegetable cooking oil. Good. Alright, so we're also going to go in with half teaspoon of the curry. Kind of give that nice curry flavor. Right? So we're going to kind of burn our curry a little bit. So a lot of persons, when they think about coconut and curry mix, a lot of persons like have this feeling that yeah, they're gonna get belly ache. Once you kind of give your curry that nice little burn, nothing will happen to you. Alright, so let's go in with our Irish potato. Alright, so we're gonna kind of, because the Irish potato is gonna be one of the hardest ingredients to really cook. So we're going with it first to kind of get that nice color that we're looking for. Alright, a nice color that we're looking for. After our potato gets that nice curry look that we're looking for, we're going with our white onion. Going to get that nice look, nice flavor that we're looking for. Yeah, curry salmon is easy to make because it's just for you to follow the technique and the procedure. Alright, so let's go in with our salmon. We're going to allow that to cook down like for about 2 to 3 minutes, yeah? You know salmon easily cooks, so it won't take long. Alright, so so just allow that to cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes while we go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so this container which I season my salmon in, I pour about 1/4 cup of coconut cream or less. Alright, remember your salmon is easy to cook, so you don't want to add a lot of water to or a lot of cream to your salmon because you don't want it to overcook. Alright, so let's go in with it. This is our coconut cream. You don't want to overcook your salmon, so you're going with about 1/4 cup. Right? So look at it. Looking good, yeah? Let's go in with some of our fresh Scotch bonnet with about 5 pimento seed, yeah? You know you can't do nothing without your Scotch bonnet, you know. Pepper. That Scotch bonnet give it the nice flavor you're looking for. Alright, so you're gonna allow, my word, that aroma, man, coming out. Smells so sweet. Alright, so you're gonna leave that to cook down for about a minute. And then we add our rest of ingredients. So after a minute or two, we're going with our fresh herbs. Yeah? So we're going to go with our bell pepper first. Our fresh thyme. We're going to leave the green onion for last. And also let's go in with our broad beans. Whoa! I tell you boy, this thing I got nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, you take your time and stir it because you don't want to break up your salmon to that. And you're gonna leave this nice little cook down for another 2 to 3 minutes and low heat. No high heat, low heat. Alright. Guys, so let's just add the chunk part of the green onion and allow it to come to a boil for about another 30 seconds and you're good to go. Look at it. Look at our coconut curry salmon but with broad bean. Look how beautiful it is. We're going to serve this up with some nice basmati rice. Alright, you can serve it up with probably some ground provision too of your choice, or with some nice potato salad or some nice cream potato, anyone you choose. There you have it guys, your coconut curry salmon. Look at how beautiful it is, man. Make easy on the Fitzy cooking show. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy on YouTube and also on Instagram and on Facebook. Yeah, I have a lot more recipes to put out. So coconut curry salmon. So let's do a nice little taste. Let me taste this salmon. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. My word. Oh Lord, this thing tastes so good. I love it. Coconut curry salmon. I'm out.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible.